Are you by yourself today, Ms. Hernandez?
Yes.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good
The
morning.
Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on now and it does not represent religious purpose, please remove it now. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please mute your devices and take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Buenos días, bienvenidos a la corte del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras esté en esta sesión, en esta corte, por favor asegúrese de que su micrófono está en silencio hasta que su caso sea llamado. En esta corte no se permite estarse moviendo de un lado a otro, ni estar comiendo chicle, tomando, hablando o fumando. Por favor, esté vestido apropiadamente para comparecer ante esta corte. No se permiten camisetas sin mangas ni grandes escotes, ni se permite tener ningún tipo de cobertura en la cabeza a menos que sea por motivos religiosos. Nada de cachucha de béisbol, de pañuelos en la cabeza. Ni nada de ni hoodies con capucha, sudaderas con capucha. Todo no se permite estar comiendo, por favor, manténganse en silencio hasta que sus micrófonos sean, hasta que su caso sea llamado. Bienvenidos a la corte del juez Sean B. Perkins, honorable juez.
Okay, good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do the best I can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in, and I'm going to start with the reviews.
Buenos días a todos. Yo voy a tratar de hacer esto de la forma más eficiente y rápidamente posible. Los voy a llamar en el orden en que ustedes sean registrados. Y voy a comenzar por las revisiones. Los que están aquí para una revisión de su caso.
Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, everyone. My name is Emma Hernandez. It's CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Mr. Williams Law. Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Sierra Francis Aiken, case number SP19141902. Good morning to you, Ms. Aiken. State your name for the record, please.
Hi, this is Sierra Aiken. Good morning to you as well.
It should be. No, I'm looking for. Good morning. Today is the date and time. It is set for a review. Ms. Aiken, in lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do, well, no, you were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Thank you very much.
So your anxiety level should have gone down tremendously, right?
Yes, significantly a lot.
All right. If it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Thought I printed this out.
No hay tapones, güey. No.
Por favor, por favor, sus micrófonos en silencio.
Mamá, me voy a tirar toda la puta pizza, güey.
This is the city of Detroit versus Lydia Elizabeth Shelvan Orozco, case number Osario, case number SP 192-07501. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la señora Lidia, de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Lidia Chivalán Osorio. Número de caso SP 192-07501. Diga su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Lidia Elizabeth Chivalán Osorio.
Lidia Elizabeth Chivalán Osorio.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time and it's set for a review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Buenos días, señora. Veo aquí que usted se le ordenó hacer 12 horas de servicio comunitario y veo que los ha hecho. Con eso, señora, entonces voy a desestimar su caso.
Okay.
Ok.
Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Señora, que tenga un excelente día y buena suerte para usted.
Okay. Gracias.
Ok, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashley Alexandra Flores Cedillo, case number SP 191-95691. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Ashley Alexandra Flores Tadeo.
Good morning. Today is the date and time is set for review. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 12 hours of community service. We thank you for that. And for that, we're going to dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
You as well.
This is the city of Detroit versus Juventino Perez Lopez, case numbers SP 191-6537, counts 2 and counts 3. Mr. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juventino Pérez López, número de caso SP 191-6537, cargos 2 y 3. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Juventino Pérez López.
Juventino Pérez López.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for a review. I see that you, in lieu of fines and costs, you were allowed to do 6 hours of community service. I see that you completed those 6 hours of community service. We thank you for that, and we will close your matters out, okay?
Está bien, señor. Veo aquí que usted se le ordenó hacer 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Veo que los ha cumplido, en vista de lo cual, entonces sus casos quedan desestimados. Muchísimas gracias por su servicio. Eso es todo por hoy.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
Señor, que tenga excelente día y le deseo la mejor de las suertes.
Gracias, gracias. Igual, Dios le bendiga.
Thank you, thank you. Same for you. God bless you.
Thank you. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Fernando Sanchez Gomez, case number SP 190-4906, 1 and count 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he at?
Last one under 830.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Fernando Sánchez Gómez. Su número de caso SP 190-49060, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Sanchez Lopez Gomez.
Ed Woodbury Jr. representando al acusado. Señor Sánchez Gómez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Fernando Sánchez Gómez.
Fernando Sánchez Gómez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Sanchez Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, yo voy a entonces procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad. ¿Qué desea hacer su abogado? Su señoría, nosotros vamos a permanecer en silencio. Entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en el nombre de su cliente, señor Sánchez Gómez. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que su abogado le consiga una oferta por parte de la fiscalía, sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase donde dice allí join, room 2, unirse para hablar con su abogado y conmigo. Is he there, Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay, I'll be there.
This is the city of Detroit versus Andre Lamont Walk. Case number SP11-137701, SP1211-8591, SP145-1514, counts 2 and counts 3, SP146-28501, SP189-3942, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins, PA 2663 on behalf of Mr. Walk. Sir, your name for the record?
Andre Walk.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for arraignment. Strike that, set for a pretrial. What were you supposed to do, Mr. Walk?
As far as you told me to come back today about community service and stuff.
All right, go speak to Miss Jenkins. She's going to try to work this out. Miss Jenkins, Mr. Walk owes a lot of civil infractions. 1 no insurance proof, 288. Another no insurance proof, 336. Another no insurance proof, 288. Those are affecting his ability to get a license. He owes a lot of other civil infractions. But speak to him about it, see if we can work something out. Mr. Walker will put you in the breakout room with Miss Jenkins. She's going to try to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, Judge.
We'll pass the matter. Okay, who does not need an interpreter?
I don't.
Norma.
I don't, Your Honor.
No, because I don't need one, sir.
All right, let's go back on the record. with Mr. Sanchez Gomez. Mr. Sanchez Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Está bien, volvamos para que conste en el acta. Soy el señor Sánchez Gómez. Señor Sánchez Gómez, le doy la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala de consulta privada. Señor abogado, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid international license as well as valid insurance, and we seek dismissal.
Tu señoría, mi cliente presentó seguro de vehicular válido, igual que su licencia de conducir, por lo cual pedimos sean desestimados los dos cargos.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señor, entonces voy a desestimar su caso por haber presentado la documentación debida y ya eso es todo por hoy. Su caso queda desestimado, se puede retirar.
You guys have a great day.
Tengan
Not you, Miss Castillo. Not you, Miss Castillo.
No, I know.
No, it's not Castillo. This is Lopez with Mr.
Well, how are you doing, Miss Lopez?
I'm still here, baby. As long as I'm still here, you'll see me.
Have a great day.
You too. God bless you all.
All right.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Marcial Gutierrez Tapia, case number SP 1923339, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Where is he at?
Gutierrez Tapia is going to be on the second page at the top, right under Manuel Gonzalez.
Yes, hello,
Thank you.
Your Honor.
You don't need an interpreter, ma'am?
No, I don't.
Perfect.
Where are you?
Thank you.
Sorry?
Okay, there you are. Good morning, Mr. Berry. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record. Ms. Gutierrez Tapia? Did she freeze up?
It looks like.
I think so.
There.
Yes.
Ms. Gutierrez Tapia?
Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
Marisol Gutierrez Tapia.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment, Mr. Berry, for purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Oh, well, enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gutierrez Tapia, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. How are you today? I'm well, thank you. Usuario de Zoom, good morning to you. Can you state your name, unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Por favor, la persona que está bajo el nombre usuario de Zoom, Por favor, si es tan amable, abra su cámara y también su micrófono y díganos su nombre.
Jafet Andoni Domínguez Moreno.
Domínguez Moreno. Okay, I see in the middle of 830, page number 1. Domínguez Moreno Jafet.
Buenos días.
Buenos días, le está diciendo el juez.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Walk. Mr. Walk, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge, my client has received his advice of rights. He would like to waive his right to a trial and accept the offer of 2 allowings, dismiss the ballots.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Walk?
Yes, sir.
And you want to do community service?
Yes, sir.
You want to do some community service to clear all this stuff up? Enough to clear all this up?
Yes, sir. If possible.
All right. Yeah, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Jenkins went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone else offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Mr. Walk, let me walk you back to April the 6th, 2026, around 3:35 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Verner and Central. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
And why is that?
I didn't have one.
All right. Now, was that your vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes, sir.
Couldn't do that either, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that? Because you didn't have it, correct?
Yeah, I didn't have it.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing for not having the valid license and the amended count of improper plate for not having the proper license. I know it was supposed to be 2 allowings, but the improper plate acts just like the allowing. They neither of them abstract to the Secretary of State, and they don't carry any points. And I'll dismiss the resolution. All right.
Thanks, Judge.
What stipulates the probable cause is dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
I'm gonna say it's 114 hours of community service to clear it all up. What I will do is that the first 18 hours, well, let's see, 18 hours, I will clear up these no insurance proofs first so that you can potentially get yourself a valid driver's license, at least get clearances down here. I'm going to set a review date for next month. And I know that it's a lot of hours. I just want to track the progress. I don't expect you to have it all done. If you do, that'd be great. But if not, we'll still give you some more time. And then I'm going to allow you to come in anytime before that, next week, if possible, if you can get the 18 hours done by next week, so we can potentially get you going on a valid license, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Does that make sense, Mr. Long?
Pardon me?
That's a wonderful deal. Thank you, Judge, for allowing him to clear up the no proofs so that he can get his license. You got that, Mr. Walk?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Awesome.
let Mr.
Thank
Phillips
you.
know. Mr. Phillips can put you on the list next week if you have those 18 hours cleared up or any other week thereof. But until then, you have the number to the Mr. Phillips, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Give him a call. Give him a call, Miss. Can you text that number to chat that number to Mr. Phillips as well? Give him a call. Set the hours up. I'm going to give you until, well, we'll see you back on September the 4th to see how much you've completed. If you don't have anything further, sir, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. Set the hours up. I wish you the best of luck, Mr. Walk, and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you so much. Can I ask a question, Judge?
You may.
Are my warrants cleared up or
For here? For you didn't have any warrants, I didn't think here. Let me make sure again. I didn't see any warrants, but they would have been cleared up by today anyway. All right?
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Husseini Orozco Cruz. Case number SP 192-31451. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Gisleni Orozco Cruz, número de caso CP 192-31451. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta, señor abogado.
That's you, Ms. Jenkins.
Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Ms. Orozco Cruz. Ma'am, your name for the record?
Mi nombre es Tana Jenkins, representando a la señora Orozco Cruz. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Gisleni Orozco Cruz.
Gisleni Orozco Cruz.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment.
Buenos días, señora. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de sus cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, señora abogada?
Waive a formal reading, stand mute.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Ms. Jenkins,
Yes, Judge.
you want to arraign her?
Oh, I said waive a formal reading, stand mute.
I'm sorry. I'll enter her not guilty plea. Okay.
It's okay. I already say that. It's okay.
All right. Miss Orozco Cruz, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señora Orozco Cruz, yo voy a mandarla a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogada, la señora Jenkins. y ella le va a dar una oferta por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no le gusta esa oferta, usted tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la invitación que ve enfrente de su pantalla, unirse. Sala de consulta privada número 3, por favor.
Let's pass the matter.
Yes. Únase, join, por favor. Ok.
There and there. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gutierrez Tapia. Ms. Gutierrez Tapia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, these matters are to be dismissed.
Mr. Berry is batting 1,000 today. All right, case is dismissed, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day. Best
Okay.
of luck.
Thank you so much. You as well.
You're welcome. Good morning to you both. What is your name? Dozier? Are you supposed to be in, let's see. Dozier. Are you supposed to be in landlord tenant? What, do you have a case number, a ticket number? Dozier, D-O-S-I-E-R?
D-O-Z-I-E-R.
D-O-Z-I-E-R. And the first name?
Khalil, K-H-A-L-I-L.
You're in the wrong courtroom. Millicent Sherman. That would be. What is Millicent Sherman's courtroom? All right, let's call Mr. Berry, the city of Detroit versus Manuel Gonzalez III. Case number SP 1921380, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Have a great day.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gonzalez.
Manuel Gonzalez III. State your name for the record, please. Where is he? Have to unmute yourself.
All right, you hear me now, sir?
I can hear you now.
Okay.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
State your name for the record.
Manuel Gonzalez III.
All right. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. Purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I do have a valid driver's license for Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
All right.
And we'll pass the matter. You got to join the room. Is Javier Lamelli Medina here? Those are reviews. It's 8.5, it's 8.5. Mr. Phillips. Mr. Phillips,
Yes, Your Honor.
did Alanta Moore do any more community service hours than what's on the list here? Says she did 12 of 30.
En silencio. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay.
No.
Let's go. Hold on. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Roscoe Cruz. Mr. Roscoe Cruz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Judge,
Está
does
bien,
this court,
volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso de la señora Orozco Cruz. Señora Orozco Cruz, le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, la señora Jenkins. Señora Jenkins, ¿qué desea ser su representado?
Judge, does this court accept the international licenses?
Yes.
Su
Well,
señoría, esta corte acepta las licencias internacionales, sí. Okay.
In that case, we move for compliance dismissal because Ms. Orozco Cruz has an international license.
Entonces, en dicho caso, nosotros vamos a pedir que le quiten sus cargos porque la señora Orozco Cruz tiene una licencia internacional.
All right, we'll dismiss your case, ma'am, for providing a valid driver's license. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you,
Está bien.
okay?
Señora, entonces nosotros vamos a desestimar su caso por haber haber obtenido una licencia internacional. Con eso queda su caso concluido. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar, por favor.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
A la orden.
Hola. This is the city of Detroit versus Guadalupe Van Venus Rostro. No, Shihad Guadalupe Benarostro Aro. Forgive me if I mispronounced it. Case number SP 192-79372. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la señora Guadalupe, no, Sujay Guadalupe Jarro, perdone si no lo pronuncio bien, el número de caso es SP-192-793-72. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Haro.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Tana Jenkins. Estoy representando a la señora Harrow.
Good morning, Ms. Harrell. State your name for the record, please.
Buenos días, señora Harrow. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, señoría. Mi nombre es Sujei Guadalupe Buenrostro Aro.
Buenos días. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Sujei Guadalupe Buenrostro Harrow.
Judge, today is the date and time set for arraignment. We would ask to waive a formal reading and stand mute.
Su señoría, hoy es el día y la hora establecida para la lectura de cargos. Por lo tanto, vamos a pedir vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond, and at this time, I'm going to dismiss her case. She paid a related civil infraction.
Está bien, entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0 y voy entonces a desestimar su caso por haber presentado documentación debida. Perdón, porque ella pagó corrección del intérprete, ella pagó una multa.
Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you, okay?
Gracias, señora. Que tenga muy buen día.
Gracias, señoría.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ella pagó una multa por una infracción civil. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Diane Yasmin Hernandez Gomez, case number SP 1929415, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora Diane Hernández Gómez, número de caso SP-192-9415, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Judge. Tana Jenkins on behalf of Ms. Hernandez Gomez. Ma'am, will you please state your name for the record?
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Yana Jenkins y estoy representando a la señora Gómez. Señora, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Diana Yasmin Hernández Gómez.
Diana Yasmin Hernández Gómez.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time is set for a arraignment. For purposes of arraignment.
Está bien, hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, señor abogado, ¿cómo desea proceder?
Waive a formal reading, stand mute.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Hernandez Gomez does have a valid license. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, la voy a mandar, señora Hernández López, a una sala de consulta privada para que consulte con su abogada. Señora abogada, la señora Hernández López tiene una licencia de conducir válida. Por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada para ver qué acuerdo de resolución le consigue su abogado, señora. ¿Acepta la invitación, por favor?
Okay. Thank you, Judge. See you in a sec, ma'am.
Gracias, su señoría. Ya la veo adentro, señora.
Oh no, if I take a work emergency right now, it's terrible.
Oh, you were saying, Mr. Phillips, about more? Mr. Phillips?
Again, Your Honor, I didn't hear that, sorry.
The, Ms. Alanta Moore, Alanta Curtis Moore.
Only 12 hours, Your Honor.
Say that again?
That's it.
Only 12 hours?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Just 12 hours.
And have you heard from him again?
Heard from him, but he went to an assignment. He only put 1 hour in and he left.
Hold on one second. Hold on a second, Ms. Hernandez. Ms. Hernandez? Ms. Hernandez? Oh, I see, I see. I'm sorry. All right.
Thank you. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right.
Okay. Your Honor, after all, she doesn't need an interpreter.
Why did he leave? Who? Your son. I don't know. You don't like you? I don't know.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Hernandez Gomez. Ms. Hernandez Gomez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, is that the best they do is limited access 1 to 5 and she's willing to do community service?
Yes, Judge. That's what the plea offer is.
That sounds like it's the normal offer at anything. It's not. You want to take this deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you want to see if you can approach the city? Where's Mr. Korn? Has anybody? Can you call her?
Yes, I'll call.
And what does she say?
I got this from Laura. She said, good morning, Madam Clerk. I'm out of the office today. Call the main number for assistance.
Oh, okay.
I will call. They can zoom in. Yes, they can zoom.
Who's that?
They're gonna have someone zoom in.
Oh, cool. You already got it taken care of?
Yeah, they're gonna.
All right, do you want to wait, ma'am, to see if the offer can get any better, or do you want to take that deal?
We'll wait to see if we.
Say that again?
We'll wait to see if we can get a better offer.
I thought she said something different. You want to wait, ma'am?
Yeah, I'll wait.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Miguel Angel Cruz Abadia. Case number SP 192959991, SP 192960001. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamemos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Miguel Ángel Cruz Abadía, número de caso SP-192-96001 y SP-192-95991. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Good morning, Judge Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Cruz Abadia. Sir, your name for the record.
Buenos días, su señoría. Mi nombre es Tana Jenkins y estoy representando al señor Cruz Abadía. Señor Cruz Abadía, si es tan amable, por favor, abra su micrófono y diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Ya. Miguel Ángel Cruz Abadía.
Miguel Angel Cruz Abadía.
Yeah.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for a arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para su lectura de cargos. ¿Cómo desea proceder, señora abogada?
Thank you, Judge. We'd waive a formal reading, stand mute.
Gracias, su señoría. Nosotros vamos a hacer la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Cruz, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. with Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. And Ms. Jenkins, Attorney Stevenson, good morning to you. She's here. I'll send her to breakout room 4. Good morning to you, Counselor.
Está bien, señor. Vamos a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y vamos a poder poner una multa de $0. Sepa y entienda que tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si quisiera. Por favor, pase a la sala de a la sala privada de consulta para que hable con su abogada. Señora abogada, la señora Stevenson está aquí. Gracias, señor. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a una sala de consulta privada. Accept, join. Can you send him there, Your Honor? Will you, please?
I tried, he didn't join it.
Okay,
Let's see.
no, somebody's there to help him. Go to the breakout room. Okay, he went to the breakout room. Oh, no, he's there yet. Señor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada número 3, por favor.
It's 5.
5?
Yeah, I just put him in 5. I was gonna switch him myself.
Okay. I don't, my invitation, please, because I have invitation to go to 3.
Oh, he's go to 3, go to 3. No, when I put him in another, he's in there now. He's in 3.
Which one? 3?
3.
Okay.
Yep. Miss Lott, are you there? Miss Lott?
Yes.
All right, Miss Lott, this is the city of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Kiana Lott, case number SP 1475283. Strike that, SP 1475283, SP 1633074. SP 1706341, SX 423220209, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 142937501, SP 1432471, counts 1 and counts 2, SX 45310961, SX 4232291, SP 1407131, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Lott, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Kayana Lott.
All right, Ms. Lott, it says that you didn't do anything.
Yeah, I just met up with him. I think it was Wednesday and got my paperwork, signed my papers and stuff. But the community service lady that I spoke with that I'm about to start at, my son's birthday was yesterday, and I was throwing him a little hotel party. So she had told me I could start everything fresh Monday, and I gave her their number for the community service. She told me she was gonna contact them and let them know that I spoke with them and when I start everything.
Happy belated birthday to your son. How old is your son?
Thank you. He just turned 5.
All right. We're gonna try to give you some more time. You gotta get something done. Come
Yes, I
back on
know.
September 4th, 2026, September 4th, 2026. And let's start knocking these hours out, all right?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Manuel Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the improper lane use, the remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, Your Honor, we're so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. I need a good phone number from you, Mr. Manuel Gonzalez.
313-728-4760.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, sir. He gave it to me.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. If the hours are complete by February 2nd, we'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, sir, let me strike that. September 2nd, September 2nd. Trying to do 6 hours of community service, isn't it? September 2nd, hours are complete. We'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, Mr. Gonzalez, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
You too,
Your
sir.
Honor,
Thank you.
Your Honor, could I ask the court to confirm the number to the Community Justice Center?
313-879-2155.
Yes, sir. We got it.
Very good. All right. Have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Jose Mendez Garcia.
Do some stuff.
Yes.
Necesitas interpreter.
Sí.
All right. Un momento.
Okay. Thank you.
Luis Boitas. Buenos dias. Necesitas interpreter.
Buenos días.
Javier. Okay, yeah. Javier Orozco. Buenos dias. Necesitas interpreter.
Yo soy Luis Armando Boites.
All right, un momento.
Okay.
Javier Orozco.
Yes, on mute.
There he is. Carlos Hernandez. Necesitas interpreter. Julio Lopez. Necesitas interpreter.
Yes, sir.
All right. Buenos dias.
Good morning.
Angeline Martinez. Buenos dias. Necesitas interpreter.
Good morning, Your Honor. No, I don't.
Oh, okay, very good. All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Angelique Martinez Areza, case number SP 1925145, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the
She needs
defendant.
interpreter, Your Honor?
No.
No, okay, thank you.
State your full name.
State your full name.
Areza.
My name is Angeli Martinez Araiza.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Winner or not guilty plea on the client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Reza, Mr. Berry's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Hernandez Gomez. Ms. Hernandez Gomez, Ms. Jenkins, did you get an updated offer or no?
Yes, we'd like to thank Attorney Stevens. The updated offer is to impeding.
Así se llama entonces caso.
She doesn't need an interpreter, Ms. Hernandez.
Okay.
All right, you want to take that deal, right, ma'am? Ms. Hernandez Gomez?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, so stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, with those stipulations, I'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. Dismiss the other misdemeanor. She has a valid license anyway. I need a good phone number from your client.
Oh, sorry, Judge, I have it.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am?
Yes.
I need you to give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. I'm going to give you until September the 2nd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we will close the matter out, okay? Send that to Mr. Phillips as well, too.
Thank you. How many hours, Judge?
6 hours.
Okay, thank you. I don't know. I can't send to Mr. Phillips. Yes, I can. Sorry.
Any further, ma'am?
I'm sorry?
You have anything further?
No, that will be all.
All right, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Same as for you.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Cruz. Mr. Cruz, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Cruz Abadía. Señor Cruz, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Señora abogada, ¿qué desea hacer su representado?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Cruz would like to avail himself of the offer, which is to dismiss the misdemeanor, plead to limited access 1 to 5 on the civil infraction.
Su señoría, gracias su señoría, mi cliente le ha sido, la oferta es desestimarle el cargo de la licencia y declararse de infracción civil reducida a ir entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del límite de velocidad en una zona restringida.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Cruz?
De una zona limitada. Señor Cruz, ¿usted desea tomar ese acuerdo?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Entonces, señora abogada, usted establece las bases de fundamento para la emisión de dicho ticket, de dicha boleta.
Yes.
Sí, su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y estipula la causa probable para la desestimación del otro cargo.
Yes.
Sí.
All right. With those stipulations, Mr. Cruz, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5 and dismiss the other case. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo lo voy a encontrar responsable del cargo enmendado de tener entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del exceso en una zona de acceso limitada y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
All right, you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitario para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser las horas?
Sí,
Yes.
y ya.
Give Mr. Phillips a call and set the hours up. I'm gonna give you until September 2nd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el día 2 de septiembre para que haga estas horas de servicio comunitario, estas 6 horas. Tiene que llamar al señor Phillips esta misma tarde y establecer cuándo va a ser cómo va a ser las horas. Y ese día, si me presenta las horas, vamos a desestimar su caso.
Oh, ok. No sé,
Ah, dígame.
una pregunta, no se puede pagar los tickets, hay que hacer el servicio comunitario.
I have a question. I cannot pay the ticket. I have to.
Quería pagar de una vez lo del ticket para no hacer el servicio comunitario.
Because I would like to pay instead of doing the community hours. Do I have that option?
No, you have to go to your alphabet judge if you want to see what kind of offer you can get in the other courtroom, your alphabet judge. This is community court today.
Señor, no. Hoy es la corte de servicio comunitario que se paga con servicio comunitario. Si usted quiere pagar, tendría que mandarlo al juez que le toca a usted alfabéticamente y darle otro día para que vuelva a la corte. Y no sabemos qué oferta le van a ofrecer allá.
I can send you to your alphabet judge and you can see what kind of offer you get over there.
Yo lo puedo mandar para su juez que le toca alfabéticamente y usted ver allá qué oferta le ofrecen y pagar.
Sí, pues yo quisiera pagar para no hacer el servicio comunitario.
Oh, yes, I would like to pay them so I don't have to do the community court.
He's not understanding. Maybe I should go back to the breakout room because he has a misdemeanor and he might end up with an offer that's a misdemeanor charge in another courtroom.
That's up to him. Go back in the breakout room.
Vamos otra vez a la sala de consulta privada porque él no debe estar entendiendo, porque le están quitando aquí un delito menor que se lo están quitando. Y si va al otro juez, probablemente no.
No, pues está bien, deme el servicio comunitario, yo lo voy a hacer para que ya no le demos más vueltas a esto.
Oh, no. It's okay. I will take the community hours because I don't want to come back again to another judge and don't go again over everything. I'd rather do the community court.
Okay. 6 hours of community service. Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until September 2nd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, tiene 6 horas de servicio comunitario que hacer. Llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips. Tiene que presentarse otra vez aquí el día 2 de septiembre con todas esas horas ya listas para ser desestimado su caso. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, ya sabe dónde llamar. Por favor, ya es todo por hoy.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day.
Que tenga excelente día, señor.
Igualmente.
Same for you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Mr. Hajazi, does Mr. Carlos Nunez Hernandez need an interpreter?
No interpreter, Your Honor.
All right. Let me call the City of Detroit versus Jose Mendez Garcia. Case number SP 1928461, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1928471. Appearance for the record, please.
Vamos a llamar el caso del señor José Méndez García, número de caso SP 192-84741 y SP 192-84661, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
José Méndez García.
Good morning, Todd
Jose-
Jenkins. On behalf of Mr. Mendez Garcia, sir, will you please state your full name for the record?
José Méndez García, buenos días. Tana Jenkins representando al señor José García. Señor José García, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
José Méndez García.
José Méndez García.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date time is set for arraignment for purposes of arraignment.
Está bien, señor. Buenos días para usted. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, ¿cómo desea proceder su señora abogada?
We'd waive a formal reading, stand mute, ask that any bench warrants be set aside, recalled.
Nosotros vamos a permanecer en silencio y vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos, así como pedimos el retiro de cualquier orden de detención que hubiere.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Mendez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor García, y entonces yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre por poner una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, quien le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
I will pass the matter.
Vamos, ok.
It's in there.
Number 3, yes.
Yes, this is the city of Detroit versus Carlos Nunez Hernandez, case number SP 1928753, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P828830, on behalf of Carlos Nunez Hernandez. Mr. Carlos Hernandez, can you unmute yourself and turn your camera on and state your name for the judge?
Carlos Nunez Hernandez.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, my client would waive the formal reading and he would like to stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Good morning to you, Mr. Hernandez. What does your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, there is an offer on the table whereby he would tender a guilty plea to drove without due care caution using utility vehicle, where the remaining charges would then be dismissed.
All right, is he willing to do 12 hours of community service?
Your Honor, I have spoken with him about community service. It is something he's willing to do as well. He's been advised of all of his rights as well and is willing to move forward with the offer if Your Honor would accept it.
Absolutely. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Hajazi went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to June the 29th, 2026, around 7:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wheelock and I-75 Service Drive. Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you have contact with the Detroit police?
Yes, Your Honor.
And were you operating this motor vehicle and you fled from the police, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you went through multiple stop?
Yes, Your Honor.
Disregarded several stop signs?
Yes, sir.
For what reason did you put all those people and yourself in danger?
I was just scared. If I'm being honest, I didn't want to stop because I didn't have no registration, no insurance, and that vehicle it wasn't registered, I guess, yeah. I just
What is
wanted
this?
to
These
get it
little
home.
lights of those, what kind of vehicle is that?
It's a Polaris Razor, an off-road vehicle.
You know, Mr. Jazzy, I don't usually step in between your deals with your clients and things like that, but I'm gonna accept the offer this time. But I'm gonna let your client know if he comes back in here with something like this again, he will not be getting anywhere near this offer like he's getting today.
Absolutely, Your Honor. I've explained this to him actually before we came on with the call, and I told him that there's a chance that you would reject the deal because he was getting a great offer. I just want you to know, Your Honor, that I've been in contact with his family as well. Since then, the vehicle has been registered and insured, and it's staying off of your roadways in the city. So it is an off-road vehicle. It's not intended to be driven on the road.
Yeah, but we know, and you've seen it. They drive these. They're going to continue to drive them, and I don't know if he's going to stop or not. But the running from the police is just it puts everybody in danger. Everybody.
Absolutely.
And all because I don't think it's just because you didn't have registration and insurance. I think a lot of people get some excitement out of it. I'll find you guilty to the amended count of waste utility vehicle, but I'm gonna order you to do 40 hours of community service. It won't be just the 12. Now, if you want to, did I mention that I was going to do 12 hours of community service? I'll allow you to back out your plea. But if not, it'll be 40 hours of community service.
Okay.
All right. You still want to keep the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Yeah, I need a good phone number from your client. Did you give him the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
No, he will need that.
313-879-2155. You can contact Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until September 2nd to complete the hours. That's 313-879-2155. I do need a good phone number from your client. If you won't want to say it on Zoom, you can put it in the chat.
313-687-7735, Your Honor.
313-687-7735. Mr. Nunez Hernandez, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up, and complete the hours by September the 2nd. And we will, this is not a delayed sentence, is it? Or was it delayed, Mr. Hajazi? No. All right. We'll close the matter out. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, sir, and best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
Well,
I had a question.
what's the question?
Around what time can I call? Or can I call now?
About noon.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You as well. On the telephone at 313-207-5089.
Hello. Hello.
On the telephone at 313-207-5089. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Jamari Gardner Harris.
Okay, you're on the other device, right? Or all right.
No, that device died.
All right, we'll get you out of here soon. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you too. Hello?
Yeah, give me a minute.
Oh, all right.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Martinez. Ms. Martinez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to the improper equipment charge, the remaining matters to be dismissed. Her number is in the chat.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
With that stipulation, I'll find your client responsible as charged to the improper equipment, dismiss the other matters. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, ma'am? Ms. Martinez, do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
I'm sorry, you cut off.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Call Mr. Phillips this afternoon and set the hours up. I'll give you until September the 6th to complete September the 2nd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Same for you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Berry, this is the City of Detroit versus Jamari Garner Harris, case number SP 1833641, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1846542. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Garner Harris.
Mr. Garner Harris, state your name for the record, please.
Jamari Gardner Harris.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. The driver's license suspended is under arraignment on the bench warrant. He's got 2 warrants out, one for transport of marijuana and no insurance misdemeanor. Purposes of arraignment, counselor?
We waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. He does have a valid driver's license, Mr. Berry. Mr. Garner Harris, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Your Honor, that was transporting marijuana and the other charge?
No insurance misdemeanor.
No insurance. Thank you.
And he owes 2 civil infractions, old civil infractions as well, but go in the breakout room and speak with him. He's in there. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Bless you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Mendez. Mr. Mendez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con eso del señor Méndez. Señor Méndez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, señora abogada Jenkins. ¿Qué desea ser su representado?
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Mendez would like to waive his right to a trial and avail himself of the city's offer, which is to plead to blockading, dismiss the balance.
Soy su señoría, el señor Méndez desea adherirse a la oferta ofrecida por la fiscalía, que es, y está renunciando a su derecho de ir a juicio, y la oferta es desestimar 2 cargos y declararse del cargo enmendado de impedir el tráfico.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Mendez?
¿Usted quiere tomar este acuerdo de resolución, señor Méndez?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Está bien, señora abogada, usted por favor puede establecer las bases de hecho para la emisión de la infracción por la cual él se va a declarar responsable.
Yes, so stipulated.
Sí, estipulación hecha.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y estipula usted, señora abogada, la causa probable para la desestimación de los otros dos cargos.
Yes, so stipulated.
Sí, sí, estipulación hecha.
All right, with those stipulations, we'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, entonces yo voy a encontrar a su cliente responsable del cargo enmendado a que estaba impidiendo el tránsito y el tráfico y el tránsito, y por eso le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario para hacerlas en el Centro Comunitario de Justicia.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ya usted tiene el número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitario.
Sí, sí lo tengo.
Yes, I have it.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call. I'll give you until September 2nd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close it out. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a dar hasta el 2 de septiembre para cumplir esas horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para arreglar cómo las va a hacer. Y para ese día usted se presenta y las horas están hechas, yo le voy a desestimar la causa.
Sí. Sí, está bien.
Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar. Yes, that's
Gracias.
okay. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Muy bien, señor, a la orden.
This is the city of Detroit versus Javier Orozco Lopez. Case, no, strike that. This is the city of Detroit versus Luis Armando Boites. Case number SP 192-93961, SP 192-94131. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, he needs interpreter.
Yes.
Luis Armando what? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Boites, that's...
Okay, I got it. Thank you, Your Honor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Luis Armando Boites. Número de caso SP 192-94-131 y SP 192-93-961. Por favor, sus comparecencias para que consten en el acta.
Yo soy Luis Armando Boitas.
Donna Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Boitas. Sir, your name for the record?
Sara, yo soy Luis Armando Boites, yo soy Sara Jenkins representando al señor Boites. Señor Boites, su nombre, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Luis Armando Boitas Flores.
Luis Armando Boites Flores.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, let us know what you want to come out.
Señor, yo voy a introducir entonces a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a poner una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, quien le va a dar una oferta. Y por favor, tenga en cuenta que siempre tiene el derecho a ir a juicio si lo quisiera. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Okay,
Acepte la
gracias.
invitación, unirse. ¿La ve? Unirse, ok.
We'll pass the matter. Chris Hernandez.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. Good morning to
morning.
you, sir. Turn your camera on.
Yes. One moment, please. Let me see. Pardon, I'm having a couple of technical difficulties. Could I refresh to see if that works?
All right. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, I do have the paperwork with me right here.
All right. You can do whatever you need to do to.
All right, I will refresh my screen to see if that works.
Is that you on the iPhone?
No, I am not on iPhone. I am on a Chromebook.
On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera? Good morning to you, and state your name, please.
Are you talking about me? Jamari
You have to
Vernon
come.
Harris.
You have to come in with more than a tank top on, sir. Good morning to you. What is your
Good
name?
morning. I'm sorry. Ronell Green.
I think you missed your date.
I'm sorry.
I think you missed your date. Greene?
No, EEN.
Yeah, you missed the date. It was yesterday.
Was it scheduled for a trial?
Yes.
I'm sorry, sir. I thought it was today.
Come back on August the 25th. Write it down. August
Right now,
the 25th at 9 a.m.
At 9 a.m. And it's August
Have
25th.
a great day. Next
All right,
time,
thank
come
you, sir.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Boites. Mr. Boites, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client wants again, that's about the same as the other offer.
Buenos días, volvemos al caso del señor Boites. Señora Harris, el caso es más o menos lo mismo que el cargo anterior.
Yes, Judge. Mr. Boites has received his advice of rights and he would like to accept the offer of limited access 1 to 5.
Sí, su señoría, el señor Boites se le han informado de sus derechos, él desea tomar la oferta que le ofrecieron y declararse responsable del cargo enmendado de que iba entre 1 y 5 millas por encima del exceso.
The city offered, was that because the city offered that because they had a valid license in the last one? But it was this, they ran a red light on the last one with the young lady when they gave them a blocking traffic.
I see what you're saying.
Ya, porque el anterior es que le dieron eso porque la otra tenía la licencia de conducir y por eso le ofrecieron el de bloquear el tránsito. Ah, ya veo lo que usted está diciendo.
I'll reach out to Madam Prosecutor.
Yo voy a hablar con la señora fiscal. Y el cargo era de ir entre el 1 y 5 por encima del límite del límite.
Do you have her contact information?
Yes.
¿Usted tiene la información de contacto del señor Boites? Sí, señoría.
I just sent her a text.
Le acabo de mandar un texto.
All right, let's pass that matter and we'll start on City of Detroit. This is for you, Ms. Jenkins. City of Detroit versus Javier Orozco Lopez. Number SP12, strike that SP1924011, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Está bien, vamos a pasar este caso. Señor Boite se queda ahí y vamos a llamar el caso del señor Javier Orozco López. Este caso para usted, señora Jenkins.
Good morning, Tana Jenkins, on behalf of Mr. Orozco Lopez. Sir, will you please state your full name for the record?
Buenos días, yo soy Tania Jenkins y representando al señor Orozco López. Señor Orozco López, por favor diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Javier Orozco López.
Javier Orozco López.
Sí.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It is set for an arraignment for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días, señor. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para la lectura de cargos. Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, señora Jenkins, ¿cómo desea proceder su representado?
Waive a formal reading, stand mute.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Sí. Enter not guilty plea in the client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Roscoe, go wait in the breakout room for Miss Jenkins to come in. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have absolute right to a trial.
Señor Orozco, por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada donde lo vamos a mandar y espere allí a que llegue la señora Jenkins, que va a hablar con la fiscalía para ver qué oferta de resolución le puede conseguir. Pero por favor, vaya a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la invitación y espere allí a que ella llegue.
Sí, está muy bien. Gracias.
Yes, that's very good. Thank you.
Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Ok, vaya a la sala de consulta privada. Vamos a pasar su caso.
Prisoner. Okay, did you get an answer on Buites?
Señora Jenkins, ¿ya obtuvo una oferta para el señor Boites?
Well, Mr. Hernandez, go ahead and join the room.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner Harris. Mr. Garner Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to the transporting marijuana charge on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matter, the insurance matter, and of course, the license matter to be dismissed. I've placed his number in the chat.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
Can you raise your right
Hello?
hand, please?
Yeah.
Is it raised?
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, excuse me. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
Excuse me, can you please repeat that one more time? You broke up.
Any questions about those rights?
Yes.
What kind of questions do you have?
None for real.
None for real? What about for fake?
I mean, I do still got 2 warrants that I'm concerned about. That's the whole point.
You
of me
don't
calling
have
up here.
those. You don't have those 2 warrants.
Oh, thank you.
This is going to clear all that up.
All right.
Do you have any questions about your rights?
No.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give your rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January. Well, that's not the one. Let's see. It would be let me draw your attention back to January 2nd, 2026, around 4:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Normandy and Puritan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have some marijuana in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
And where was that marijuana stored?
Inside the ashtray in the cup holder.
All right, very good. I'm going to find you guilty as charged to illegal transport of marijuana. Do you understand that the marijuana needs to be in the passenger, outside the passenger compartment of the vehicle, meaning in the trunk where you don't have access to it?
Yes.
All right. Stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. It'll be 12 hours of community service for this Do you want to do another 12 hours of community service to clear everything up, these old civil infractions that you had?
I mean, I can. What's that? 24 hours? Yeah, I could do it.
24 hours, yeah. Will clear everything. All right, 12 hours of community service. I'll allow you to do another 12 hours for this in lieu of fines and costs for the other ones. This is going to be a 3-month delay, so you have 3 months to do it. We'll cover you back on November the 4th, 2026 at 8:25. Give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and set the hours up. Keep it, if you have the hours are complete by November the 4th, we'll close all the matters out and dismiss the illegal transport of marijuana. Okay, sir?
All right. Thank you so much.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Norma Maria Castillo. Case number SP 1911538, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Castillo.
Hello, it's Norma Maria Castillo.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time is set for a pretrial. Ms. Castillo, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, she's in there, Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. For one of those tickets she has here, this one, I don't know why it's not closed out. It says dismissed by party. All right, Mr. What do you have for a driver for insurance, Mr. Hernandez?
I have the application completed. It wasn't my vehicle, it was my brother-in-law's vehicle. They did get insurance. I do have the insurance papers right here and the new registration.
Let me see. Hold one of them up at a time, please.
Yes. This is the registration.
Okay.
All right, and then this is the insurance signed. This is one of the papers.
Now I need to see the copy of the insurance ID card.
Insurance ID card. Give me 1 moment, please. Here we go.
Bring it a little closer, please. This is the city of Detroit versus Chris Romero. You can take it down. Hernandez, case number SP 1925126, counts 1 and counts 2. Mr. Hernandez, state your name for the record, please.
My name is Chris Romero Hernandez.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is date time set for arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf to a $0 bond. Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to dismiss the cases at this point for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day yourself.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You got the keys? I got them.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Castillo. Ms. Castillo, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date
All right, she's gonna have to go to her alphabet judge. Unless she wants another pretrial to come back and bring those documents.
Yes, I want the same judge.
You? You wanna? All right, Ms. Castillo, when are you gonna get this documentation?
Okay, well, I have the insurance, but I told my grandson passed away 4 days ago. I'm gonna need at least 3 weeks. I have to go back out to Pontiac.
Today is the 5th. Come back on the 26th. I'll give you until the 26th to get this together, okay?
Well, thank you so much.
All right, have a very good day. You're welcome.
You too.
Best
You
of-
also, everybody
best
also.
of-
Thank you.
Mr. Julio Lopez needs an interpreter. Miss Luis Lopez Sanchez, do you need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Good morning
Hello?
to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Luis Miguel Lopez Sanchez. Case number SP 192-39341. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez Sanchez.
Luis Miguel Lopez Sanchez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time is set for an arraignment. The purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez Sanchez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. He's in there, Mr. Berry. Pass the matter. It's just a no insurance misdemeanor. Okay, let's go back on the record. With Mr. Buites. Mr. Buites, I've given you an opportunity again this is a blocking traffic now, Miss Jenkins.
Yes, Judge. I did receive, oh, Attorney Stevens is here. Yes, I did. Yes, it is.
Ms. Hernandez.
Sí, volvemos con el caso del señor Boites. Tiene ya la oferta por parte de la Fiscalía. Sí, la señora Stevens está aquí, sí, señor juez.
You want to take the deal, Mr.
Entonces, ¿usted quiere tomar este acuerdo, señor Boites, de estar impidiendo el tránsito?
Sí, estoy de acuerdo.
Yes. Yes.
All right, we already made the stipulations. I'll find them responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic, 6 hours of community service in lieu of fines and costs. I'll give you until September the 2nd to complete the hours. You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a imponer entonces 6 horas de servicio comunitario y las tiene que tener listas para el 2 de septiembre por la boleta enmendada de bloquear el tránsito. ¿Tiene usted número para llamar al Centro de Justicia Comunitaria?
Sí, ya tengo el número.
Yes, I
Muchísimas
have the number. Thank you.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon and we'll close it out if they're completed by September 2nd. If you don't have any other questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces, si yo, por favor, llama al señor Jenkins esta misma tarde para establecer cómo va a ser las horas y la tenés lista para el 2 de septiembre. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, eso es todo por hoy. Ya se puede retirar.
Ok, muchísimas gracias, muy amable.
Okay, thank you very much. Very, very much. Very kind of you.
All right, best of luck to you.
Está bien. La mejor de las suertes para usted, señor.
Gracias.
Well, let's go back on the record with Mr. Javier Orozco. Mr. Orozco, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, this is the blocking traffic.
Vamos a llamar nuevamente al caso del señor Javier Orozco. Señora abogada, este es un caso de bloquear el tránsito también.
Yes.
Sí.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Orozco?
Señor Orozco, ¿quiere tomar este acuerdo, esta oferta?
Sí.
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea in your client's behalf.
Por favor, puede hacer las estipulaciones para las bases de hecho para la enmienda de este ticket.
Yes.
Sí, estipulación hecha.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y la estipulación de la causa probable para la desestimación del cargo restante.
Yes.
Sí.
Okay, with those stipulations, I'll find the client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, it'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Está bien, yo voy a encontrar entonces a su representado responsable de la infracción de bloquear el tránsito y le voy a imponer 6 horas de servicio comunitario que tiene que hacer para el día, tener ya lista para el día 2 de septiembre.
Sí, está muy bien.
Yeah, that's okay.
All right, give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up, and we'll give you until September 2nd to complete the hours. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Entonces le voy a dar hasta el día 2 de septiembre para que completes estas horas. Por favor, llame esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para completarla. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, se puede retirar. Que tenga muy buen día, la mejor de las suertes.
Sí, me van a mandar algún aviso para conectarme el día 2, que va a ser la otra junta, la otra.
I'm going to receive any kind of notification or notice to connect on the September the 2nd.
You should, but if you're on the list, you don't have to show, you don't have to join back in anyway. Mr. Phillips will
Señor,
let you list or not.
señor, el señor Phillips le va a decir, en tal caso es el mismo número de hoy, pero el señor Phillips le va a decir, si ya está completado todo, no necesariamente tendría que anotarse, pero el señor Phillips le puede decir y es el mismo número.
Está muy bien. Sí, gracias.
Okay, that's very good, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Señor, que tenga un excelente día.
Igualmente, sí, gracias.
Same for you, thank you.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Julio Cesar Mulando Lopez, case number SP 192-76602. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Julio César Romulado López, número de caso SP 192-76602. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Sí, buenos días, Julio
Yes,
César.
good morning.
Cuando
My name is Julio César Romulado López.
Hannah Jenkins on behalf of Mr. Lopez.
Mi nombre es Yana Jenkins, representando al señor López.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Lopez. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días,
Luego-
señor López. Hoy es el día y la hora establecido para una lectura de cargos en una orden de detención. ¿Cómo quiere proceder su representado, señora Jenkins?
Waive a formal reading, stand mute.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de la lectura de cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
I'll enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lopez, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Jenkins. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Está bien, señor. Entonces yo voy a procesar una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una multa de $0. Va a mandarlo a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogada y que ella le consiga una buena resolución por parte de la fiscalía.
Está bien.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada. Vamos a pasar el caso. Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Sanchez. Mr. Lopez Sanchez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and we'd seek dismissal.
I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lopez Sanchez, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Jafe Andani Dominguez Moreno. Buenos dias, necesitas interpreter?
Sí.
All right, un momento. Yeah.
That was some banana. It was peach.
Oh,
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez. Mr. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client has an international license.
Yes, he does. And it's valid for a few more years. Oh, sorry.
All right.
Es ok. Vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor el Romulado López. Señor Romulado López, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada. Señora abogada, veo que el señor tiene una licencia de conducir. Sí, tiene una licencia de conducir válida por varios años más. Y pedimos que se desestime el caso.
I will dismiss the case for valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
We do have a
Está bien,
question.
señor. Ajá. Vamos a desestimar el caso porque presentó la documentación apropiada, pero tenemos una pregunta, su señoría.
He received a notice in the mail telling him to come back on Thursday. Can we just confirm that he doesn't have any other outstanding matters? It seems like it's for the same case, but I wanted to check with you.
Yo quería checar con usted porque aparentemente él tiene otra notificación para presentarse otro día, el jueves tal vez, y aparentemente es el mismo caso, pero queríamos chequear con usted, señor juez, que estamos bien.
es el viernes. La cita está
Esto es-
programada para el viernes.
Okay,
Yeah,
Friday.
the appointment is for Friday.
Sorry.
This case is going to be dismissed. That's the only thing I see he has.
Sí, señor, este caso va a ser estimado en el día de hoy, es el único caso que usted tiene pendiente.
It does say Friday, but no, this matter will be dismissed.
Sí, no se preocupe, señor, porque es el mismo caso y este caso va a ser desestimado en el día de hoy, no tiene que presentarse el viernes.
Muchas gracias.
Ok, thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Que
Thank you.
tengan un excelente día. Yes, thank you, you too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Hafet and Donnie Dominguez Moreno, case number SP 1930490, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso del señor Jafet Daniel Domínguez Moreno, número de caso SP 193049, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Dominguez Moreno.
Edwin Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Por favor, señor Domínguez Moreno, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Señor Jafet Domínguez Moreno. Señor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta, por favor.
Jafet Andoni Domínguez Moreno.
Jafet Andoni Domínguez Moreno.
Correcto.
That's correct.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, su señoría, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Winner and not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Dominguez Moreno, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room.
Rodríguez Moreno, le voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Jenkins, el abogado Jenkins, que le va a dar una oferta de resolución por parte de la fiscalía. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala, acepte la invitación que debe estar apareciendo en su pantalla, a la sala número 2. Join, unirse. Okay.
Is that my case? No. Is that my case?
No, very.
Okay.
Mr. Phillips on the Julian Caba, he's a no-show?
He never showed up.
Okay. Oh, boy. Excuse me. I guess I'm ready for the weekend.
The week, wait, you still have 2 days, Your Honor.
I know.
Oh, okay.
I'm still ready. I was ready on Monday, though.
Me too.
So I'm getting close. You're freezing, huh?
I am freezing. I just, oh my goodness.
You don't have one of those heaters?
I do, but floating, you take it from courtroom to courtroom. It's in trial services right now.
But you do have one of
I
those.
do, oh, yes. Yes. You have to. Some of these rooms are just.
I can, it is. I wouldn't have it this high. That cool, but I'm not like really bothered, but it is kind of cool. I'll tell you that. I don't have to tell you that. You already know.
I dress for inside the courthouse usually. I don't wear too many summer clothes in here. Like, oh no, you go ahead. It's freezing. Same in the winter.
Yeah, in the wintertime, it's never as hot as it.
I know.
And again, some courtrooms you go in and some places you go in is okay. But it's like real difference between walking in the front door and then walking into my office is a difference. Like really, like, it's like, this is almost hot and that's cold.
Oh.
Is he gonna take a deal, Mr. Berry?
He has valid documents, Your Honor, valid international license as well as insurance and registration.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Moreno. Mr. Moreno, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, you're telling me your client has valid documentation?
I am, Your
Vamos
Honor.
a volver para con el caso del señor Domínguez. Señor Domínguez Moreno, le dio la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Abogado, él tiene documentación. Sí, su señoría.
Okay, Mr. Dominguez. I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Está bien, señor Moreno, yo voy a desestimar todos sus casos por haber presentado la documentación válida. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, que tenga excelente día.